Welcome back to another video, or welcome if this is your first time. My name is Chad Johnerson. I am your Denver Modern agent, and today we are checking out a phenomenal development in Sunnyside, which, yes, I've shown you guys properties there before. However, we're going to be looking at properties, actually one property by the Denver Development Group. It is known as their transparency plan. Now, a lot of these are mid-century modern inspired homes, and they are absolutely gorgeous. You know, they're 4,000 and up plus square feet. They're a ranch style, all on one floor with a finished basement, 10-foot ceilings in these basements. They're absolutely phenomenal and gorgeous houses. Super excited to show these off to you guys. If you do need any information on these properties or anything else like this in the Denver area, do not hesitate to reach out. I'm the one that answers those phone calls. I'm the one that responds to those text messages and the emails that you guys send. So let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. And without taking up too much more time, let's jump into this and check out the Transparency by the Denver Development Group. All right, welcome to the Heights in Sunnyside. This property, the Transparency, the first thing I notice obviously is this gorgeous front room with all those open windows right off the front entryway. Now, this property offers 5 beds, 4 baths. It's over 4,200 square feet. There is an option for your garage to either be a 2-car or a 3-car garage. The finishes are absolutely top of the line and phenomenal all throughout. I know you guys are going to enjoy checking out this property as much as I did. Let me know what your favorite part of this tour is down in the comments below, and let me know if there's anything I could do to help you. Well, there y'all have it. I appreciate you taking the time to check out this property with me. And a huge shout out and thank you to Monica Cespedes of Keller Williams for allowing me to get in there and show off, this model home to you guys. This is one of their 4 designs that they do have in this development in Sunnyside. So if you're looking for something like this, do not hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to, help you guys out, get you into a property like this. If you're looking for something similar to this, let me know. However, the location is absolutely amazing, and I just want to be a resource for you guys. If you are looking for anything around the Denver metro area, don't hesitate to reach out. I mean, I know I do show off a lot of these really cool luxury homes. That's just because, I love getting inside of them, seeing what some of these, developers are doing around the city. So that way I know if they have some other projects that are coming up that may be a little more affordable, you guys will be the first to know. And I know that the Denver Development Group does have some stuff going on here in the beginning of 2023 and into later 2023 with some other townhome developments and duplexes. So if you're looking for something like that, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm the one that answers your guys' texts, your phone calls, your emails. I'm here to be a resource for you guys, and I want to make sure that you're taken care of when you're moving to the Denver area. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.